Businesses facing an uphill battle to reopen as some employees are saying they're making more money on unemployment than they would if they were actually working. What does this mean for the economy? And is this proof that universal basic income is a flawed idea? Jackie DeAngelis joins us now with that. Jackie.
Good afternoon to you, Cheryl. That's right. Look, since state and local governments began the coronavirus lockdowns, that was in mid-March, roughly 30 million people have applied for unemployment benefits. But also, because of the provisions in the CARES Act, they're getting additional payments to keep them afloat. Now, it was critical to get money to people so they could pay their bills, putting food on the table, paying rent, dealing with health care, all these things. But the criticism surrounding how you wind down these benefits and get people back to their jobs is at issue now. According to a recent study, about 40% of all workers could find themselves in that situation where the unemployment benefits they're receiving at home are better than the compensation from their full-time job.
Rational worker, if they're getting paid more to stay home, particularly at times where they're not sure if going to work is going to expose them to an infectious disease, they're going to stay home. We need policy that not only protects workers, it allows them to get back to work and allows them certainty to do so. So that includes a public health response.
But how we unwind all of this hasn't really been addressed just yet. And part of this debate that's raging across the country is how reopening plans are going, and if it's even safe to execute them at this point. You know, we look at New York, for example, they've postponed opening Broadway till after Labor Day, Cheryl. It gives you a sense of when the officials here think that it could be safe. And you also think about, Cheryl, these people who have children who are out of school. If your kids can't go back to school, it's really tough to go back to work, especially if you're getting more to stay home. So some people may try to really ride this one out.
And I've seen questions about that go to Governor Cuomo. They've gone to Mayor de Blasio here in this area for that exact reason. If you don't reopen schools, people cannot go back to work. I totally agree. Great point. Jackie, thank you very much.